Okay guys, if you have a Audi A8, Audi A6, 2003 to I think 2010, this one's a 2005, that has a sunroof noise that sounds like this. What you actually have is the wind deflector is what's making the noise. Okay, so now there's an adjustment motor for that wind deflector, and that is what's making the noise. It's a tolerance issue. So what you want to do, a couple ways to try to rectify this, is you want to get this console out first, okay? Now these covers are on the lights. There's 2 tabs on the back, this on the front, okay? The way these work is you have the 2 tabs on the back like this, and the front clips in. There's a spring clip like that. So you want to get under the front of this light, pop the front down first. So you can use a wedge or a small screwdriver. You want to try not to nick this up though. This has got like a rubberized coating on it. You want to try to just push it back and pull it down over this clip. Once you do that, there is going to be, right inside this hole on both sides, there's going to be Torx screws. T25 I think. Okay, you want to remove those screws, and after you do that, you can simply pull down on this. Okay, you want the front to come down first because it has these tabs on the back that clip into the headliner, and then these on each side. That's what you're releasing, okay? Now, the source of this noise that you have is that motor right there. Okay? And as far as I can tell, there's 3 different ways to rectify this issue. One is to have the sunroof closed and disconnect that motor. That connector right there. Disconnect that motor. And then all you're going to do is you're going to lose the ability for this thing to move up and down as your speed changes. You're still going to have the ability of this thing to pop up because it is spring loaded. Okay, so it will still pop up when you open the sunroof. It will still close when you close the sunroof, but its ability to change its height during driving will go away. Okay, that's one fix. Another fix is you'll notice if you put pressure on this motor and move it while running it, you'll hear that the noise changes. And the reason it changes is because the reason for this noise is actually a tolerance inside of this motor. As it wears, the tolerance becomes too great and you have a grinding noise. So if you take a piece of paper and you fold it up, get it about 1/4 inch thick. This is a full sheet of paper folded. And you take it, and there's a brace above that motor. If you take that piece of paper and wedge it between the motor and the brace, you can reduce or get rid of the noise. I'm going to stick that in here real quick and we'll run the motor again. Alright, and I wedged that piece of paper in behind that motor, and we're going to run the sunroof. You'll notice our noise is gone. Okay, now that's a pretty temporary fix. I mean, it may last a while, it may not. Your third option is to replace this motor itself. And from what I've priced, that motor goes for around $300. If you do replace that motor, you want to do so with the sunroof closed, just to keep the wind deflector from coming out of alignment. And the way to get this out is to release this tab right here. It's just a metal clip clipped on the plastic here, and there it goes around to the top side and clips on the top as well. Once you release the bottom, you'll be able to push the top off real easy. And then, if this is the fix you're going with, make sure that's wedged in there real good. Reassemble this back end first, push that in position, put your screws back in, clip your lights back in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.